See, I'm basically a designer who cuts. I cut all my clothes myself. Usually I do things like very drapey stuff. This time I decided to do a lot of tailoring. Most of my clothes are made out of one piece of fabric. And so the most important thing about my clothes are the comfort. I mean, you can ask anybody. It's once you wear these clothes, because there are no seams, it's very comfortable. Gents handbags are used because today I feel women have become really powerful, and I think shoulder bags are a bit boring, you know. So I thought that bags like a briefcase, because the woman is entering now a sort of a corporate world. They're not an Indian corporate world, but an international corporate world. And I think the most important thing is to keep the essence of India in what you do. So that's what I do. Yeah.
What kind of challenges you see in this field?
I think the most important thing we as Indian designers have not yet done is use our traditional craft. And I think that is a big challenge. We need to start using more khadi, more handloom. There needs to be a synergy between the handicrafts and fashion. Because I mean, when I as a designer, I'm going to go international, I wouldn't want to do something what the Italians or the French, I would love to compete with them, but I would love to compete with India in my heart. You know, that's the way we need to do it. They are not looking for us to do gowns which are made like them. I love to do things which are draped, which are really different, but are very Indian in the way they are made. So that's the most important thing about my clothes.
Which kind of designing do you like?
I love designing ladies' dresses. Yes. Not interested. I tried this time, you know, I tried to make gents' jackets and they all look like women's jackets. No, yeah. So that's why I prefer to stay to ladies. I think it's much more important for us as designers to specialize in something we do rather than just try to be a kind of a jack of all trades.
It's much more to experiment with,
much more,
right?
Yeah. I love to. In fact, I bought all the fabrics from here. You all have got the best quality fabrics. I bought the malmals and the cottons. I mean, how beautiful are they? And the block prints, and I've used bandage. I usually in all my collections use something from the local. In the first collection, I used the Sholapur blanket, which is from blankets, you know, which the poor people wear. Then the other collection, I used the gomchas from Bengal. Then in my third collection, I used the lungis from Kerala. So now my next collection will be with Jaipur. Yeah, I came here to be inspired. Thank you so much.
I feel so feminine. That's what I was telling James as well. It's such a flowing, beautiful, I feel like a queen, you know. Truly, I feel like a queen with the flowing robes over there. And it's very feminine at the same time as well as being powerful, like you said. It's beautiful. I love it. What do you want to wear? What do you like to wear? Depends on my mood and where I am. When I'm at home, I'm in my toned jeans and toned t-shirts. And when I'm going out, it totally depends on my mood. I'm a girl, so you can identify with it. You know, it all depends on what I'm feeling and when. Follow the trends or trends follow Arya? Trends follow Arya, obviously. It has to be something that I'm comfortable with and I'm loving at that moment. Do you have any favorite dress designers? I have a lot of them. At this moment is James. At this totally. Forever? There's no forever. I mean, it's all changing from moment to moment. It all depends on what you're feeling at that very moment. There are some things that will only be announced formally later. I'll talk about them right now. Yes, I'm for TIFW right now.